back into Engineering Insights Revit Architecture Essential Training. Today we have very interesting topic, that's how we can create this type of Starbucks coffee shop at Revit and how we can add this type of C-shape element in your building or any shape element in your building. So let's get started. So for the first step, just go into any elevational view and set up your levels for your model. As you can see, two levels are already present here. So just set up the second level at 350 centimeters. Now let's add one more level by using shortcut key double L and set it as minus 50 centimeters. Now let's move at level 1. And now I have to do something for getting the basic dimensions. For this I am going to start up with the furniture. Actually it will help me to get the basic dimensions of my project. So for furniture, just I am going into insert and load family. Here I am going to use US Imperial Library of Revit. Go into furniture, tables and just select any round table from here. Now let's go into architecture, components and just select the smallest one from here and place it anywhere on this screen. Now you can get the idea of basic unit of this cafe, that is table with 4 chairs. Now I'm just going to rotate it at 45 degrees. Now let's create an array to get the whole dimension of cafe. So just go into array, select number 5, last and start from here and end it at anywhere here. Now you can select the last one and can use arrows for adjust them more. So the next thing I am going to be doing, going to use basic walls. Just go into walls or you can use the shortcut keys WA for this. Just use any smallest one and let's create an rectangle like this. So this won't be an actual walls. This is something that I am going to be used just for the basic dimensions of cafe. And then use the wall command again and add some more walls like this. Now let's use these walls for get the basic dimensions of our project. So this can be our just walkway. So just set it at 120. And do the same thing on another side. This will be 120. Then for this one, I need to keep it at 60. So now, okay, when we do this, so let's move these walls like this outside and similarly on this side, move these walls outer here. Okay, after that just go again into components and just place some more tables here. Again rotate it at 45 degrees and use array for place the 3 more tables. Okay, now I think we got enough table for our cafe and by using these tables we get the basic dimensions of our cafe. So this is our working area. Let's set it at 240 or 220 centimeters. We done all the internal dimensions and settings. So now let's create our outer shell by using these outer walls. So just select these outer walls. Hold the control and select all of these and set the height at 100 centimeters. Then select all internal walls, this one, press the control, this one and all of these and connect them at roof level. Okay, now if I go into south elevation, you can see what we get. This is our glass area where the customers and this is our terrace, this is our working place. Now let's select the glass area and remove the level from the selection by pressing the shift key and just immediately convert this wall into storefront form. Yeah, it's look better now. Okay, now once we have that, now we can do the basic main thing, that is we can create a C-shaped element which will go all around this building and which will provide an elegant shape to this cafe. For that, go into component, model in place and categorize it as a floor. And now we need a work plane for this, so just go into floor and add one reference plane like this and name it as 1 or whatever you want to name it. Then go back into south elevation and go into create extrusion and just select the reference plane 1. And just start your sketching from somewhere outside from here and go along the way here, then up, and then also we need to end it at somewhere outside point here. Now just move it little down because we need thickness of this slab as well, and then fillet the corners. Select fillet and just give the radius that will be 80 centimeter, and then yes, it will be look good. Click. Now just pick the offset and put the value of 30 centimeter and just take offsets like this. Then close your shape by pick the simple line and finish it. Let's extend it to the all the way to these walls like this. And let's apply some green material on it. So here we have some plastic green. So let's change it to some darker and just apply it. Then go into 3D and see what's its look. Wow, it's look really cool. Now just select these walls by pressing the tab and simply delete this. Because now this element is act as a wall, so we simply not needed that one. Now if I zoom these corners, you can see these are not clean. So let's do it first. Just select all these corners by pressing the Ctrl. And then I am going to unpin all of them. Then simply change it into trapezoid. It will show the notification delete elements, then it's okay. Now you can see the edges will be more fine than before. Do the same thing on the another side. This is how it's look after adding railings and openings to it. Now two more things. Let's add Starbucks sign and logo on this. Now let me quickly take a render to show you its final look. And here we go. That's all for today. Must hit the subscribe button for getting more interesting topics like this. Thanks for watching.